Narrator. High above the city, the world unfolds in a quiet panorama. Narrator. The camera moves with a slow, deliberate grace. Narrator. Below, the great stone buildings of the Smithsonian Institution line the green expanse of the National Mall in Washington, D.C. Narrator. They sit like stoic guardians of history, their grand facades basking in the soft morning light. Narrator. The mall itself runs like a wide, verdant path, an artery of public life where people walk and birds take flight. Narrator. On this day, March 7th, 2026, these buildings hold within their walls a universe of secrets. Narrator. A collection of stories waiting to be told. Narrator. A testament to human curiosity and the enduring quest for knowledge. Narrator. Containers of memory, vast repositories of our collective past. Narrator. Inside these hallowed halls, far from the public galleries and bustling crowds, lies another world. Narrator. Quiet corridors, climate-controlled vaults. Narrator. Meticulously organized storerooms. This is the heart of the Smithsonian, its hidden core, where the bulk of its treasures are kept safe. Narrator. The public sees only a fraction, the tip of an iceberg so vast it defies easy comprehension. The story of the Smithsonian begins not in America, but across the Atlantic, with an English scientist named James Smithson. In the early 19th century, he'd never been to America. He bequeathed his entire fortune to the United States. His will called for the increase and diffusion of knowledge. That extraordinary gift planted the seed for a place where science, art, and history would be accessible to everyone. This intention blossomed into a sprawling complex of museums, research centers, and archives. Each building is a chapter in a much larger story. The National Museum of Natural History holds the deep past of our planet. The National Air and Space Museum chronicles our journey into the skies and beyond. Each one is a portal, offering a glimpse into culture, science, and innovation. It evolved from a single building into the world's largest museum, education, research complex, a constellation of 19 museums, 9 research centers, and the National Zoo. Each entity furthers the mission to explore our world and share that understanding with all. The diversity of the institution is staggering, from the Star-Spangled Banner to towering dinosaurs, timeless portraits to historic aircraft. These items are not curiosities, they are primary sources, safeguarded by experts who understand their profound responsibility. To comprehend the Smithsonian is to grapple with an almost unimaginable number. The collection holds over 155 million items and specimens. If you were to spend just 1 minute looking at each one, it would take you more than 290 years. The vast majority are housed away from public view in sprawling, state-of-the-art facilities. Here, the material culture of a nation and a world is carefully preserved. The items range from the mundane to the monumental. These humble artifacts provide a rich, textured view of how people lived, worked, and played in different eras. Then there are the icons, powerful symbols that have become part of our shared cultural lexicon. Every object that enters the collection is meticulously documented. Staff record where it came from, what it is made of, its condition, and its historical significance. These records are like a map, guiding future researchers through a vast ocean of artifacts. Cataloging is slow, painstaking work. It demands expertise, patience, and unwavering attention to detail. This deep archive serves scholars around the globe, reshaping our understanding of the past. Preserving a collection of such immense scale and variety is a monumental task. The enemies of preservation are relentless: light, humidity, temperature fluctuations, pests, and the inexorable passage of time. Many artifacts are inherently fragile. Paper crumbles, textiles fade, metals corrode, and in Washington's humidity, mold is a constant concern. The work is a sophisticated blend of art and science, chemistry, material science, and history. A tiny, custom-made vacuum lifts dust from a fragile gown. A single silk thread, dyed to match, mends a tear with a surgeon's precision. Climate control and carefully controlled light dramatically slow decay, ensuring survival for future generations. When damage has already been done, the goal is stabilization and understanding. Every intervention documented, guided by reversibility and respect for the object's history. Wear and tear are part of the story. Preservation is a dialogue between past and present, careful, thoughtful, and true to the object's life. In quiet labs and sealed rooms, the future is made possible one careful decision at a time. Deep within the National Museum of Natural History lies a world frozen in time. The fossil collections are a library of life itself, written in the language of bone. Staff members, known as fossil preparators, work with dental picks, fine brushes, and specialized air-powered scribes. Their job is to free fossilized bones from the rock matrix, a process that can take months, even years. These bones are data points that let us reconstruct ecosystems and reveal life's diversity, from tiny marine organisms to colossal dinosaurs. Growth rings show how animals aged. Chemistry in teeth can reveal diet. Rarely complete, skeletons demand expertise in anatomy and comparative biology, mapped meticulously before assembly. Three-dimensional scanning and digital modeling lead to animated reconstructions, turning static objects into dynamic stories. Modern tools unlock hidden details. A fragment can name a new species. In these drawers, mysteries wait for the right questions. Science evolves, and so do the secrets held in stone, waiting for their moment to be revealed. The National Air and Space Museum and the Stephen F. Udvar Hazy Center hold the world's premier collection of aviation and space artifacts. These objects tell the epic story of humanity's quest to conquer the skies and journey beyond our world. The collection includes the 1903 Wright Flyer, the Spirit of St. Louis, and the Space Shuttle Discovery, a veteran of 39 orbital missions. These are not replicas. They are the actual historic craft that made history. Preserving them presents unique challenges. Early airplanes marry wood, canvas, wire, and glue. Spacecraft combine exotic metal alloys, ceramics, plastics, and sensitive electronics, each aging differently. Metals corrode, fabrics become brittle, plastics degrade, demanding a wide range of expertise. One day stabilizing spruce, the next addressing aluminum corrosion. Hangars function as giant preservation environments, controlling light and air quality for artifacts too large to box. Dedicated restoration spaces allow teams to disassemble, clean, repair, and reassemble over years, with meticulous planning and records. The story is in the details. Scorched tiles, stitched wings, notes on control panels. These objects are witnesses, bearing the marks of ingenuity and courage. In recent years, a quiet revolution has been taking place within the Smithsonian. Technology is providing powerful new ways to fulfill the founding mission. High-resolution photography and three-dimensional scanning transform access and study. An artifact no longer needs to be present. A researcher abroad can measure a perfect digital model with virtual tools. A student can read delicate handwriting without risk to the fragile original. Teams are creating digital surrogates by the millions, storing them in vast archives and sharing them online. Digital tools also reveal the invisible. Multispectral imaging recovers faded text and hidden underdrawings. These methods add new layers of meaning and enable discoveries once thought impossible. High-quality digital copies preserve information and reduce handling of originals, expanding access while enhancing preservation. The future of preservation is evolving. Staff are learning, developing new techniques, adopting new technologies. Research seeks better ways to combat decay, from integrated pest management to advanced storage materials. The goal is clear: ensure these irreplaceable artifacts survive for students, scientists, artists, and curious minds. Work done today in quiet rooms will make tomorrow's discoveries possible. Archives are filled with mysteries, unopened crates, specimens awaiting study, languages yet to be deciphered. A new technique or a related document can illuminate an object sitting in darkness for decades. The lights may be low and the halls silent, but here the pulse of history beats strongest. The vaults hold their secrets, for now.